Cool, what's up guys? Another episode of Solar Art on the Job. We're here in Anaheim, California at the Seneca House. It's actually a house for foster kids. It's actually a camp for foster kids. It's a really cool place. So we're doing a part of the camp. So it's called the Seneca House. Let's go check it out. We're here at the Seneca House to meet Gina, find out a little about the job we're doing here. So first tell us a little bit about the Seneca House. I read a little bit about it. I guess it's a foster care for kids, right?
We're a nonprofit that basically does, we work with foster children. We have wraparound programs. We have mental health clinics, therapeutic writing program, that kind of stuff for kids in foster care.
That's awesome. Cool. And there's just different houses and there's like a camp. It looks like a camp kind of, right?
It's kind of in a sense like that, yes.
Like a camp? Okay. So you called us, and so what was the need? What did you need from us?
We're trying to put a protective film on the windows to make sure that if something breaks, it stays in place and it doesn't hurt anybody or that kind of
For safety purposes, right? Because when glass breaks, glass is all over the place for the kids. And so we're doing a lot of the rooms for safety purposes. Did someone come out and give you an estimate and kind of looked at and how did you find us?
Google.
Oh, Google. Okay. Nice. That was okay. Good experience. Cool. Keep the kids safe and put some window film on. So awesome. Well, thanks for being a customer and appreciate you taking the time.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, guys. How's it going? We got Sam. We got Oscar. We got some security film, it looks like. We're doing, so what are we using here?
We got Madico 8mm.
We're using Madico 8mm film, which is a thicker window film. It's 8mm, where like a normal window film is like a 1 to 2mm film. This is 8mm, so it's a little bit thicker. You also got to be careful because you can actually like cut yourself pretty easily on it. It's really super sharp, so you got to be careful about that. The thicker the film, it's able to go on the glass and just be a little bit more firmer and hold the glass in place. So for this particular situation, we're putting it on. When glass breaks, it usually shatters into pieces. What the film will do is it will hold the glass together. So if it shatters, the film will actually hold those pieces in place. The glass will still break, but it'll hold the pieces in place. So it's really good for safety purposes. And of course, if you need it for security, you put this on with an attachment system around the edges. But for here, we're just doing it for safety purposes for the kids. He's using a film cutter right now, which is basically designed to actually cut the film and get a straight edge. So you set it up on a ladder. It's an easy way to cut the film. Hey, look at this. You see this? Ah, it's great. Oh, it's great. But so you pull it and then look at that. Go to the restroom. You did. Like if you're going to the bathroom, I could just come and go. That's awesome. Everybody should have. You know what? We're gonna make that standard. All the guys are gonna have this now. Okay?
They don't like it.
They don't like it? Why? Is it just weird? Why don't they like it?
For me, it's more easy doing.
It's great. Yeah. Then you don't have. Where else do you have it? Like so you just no. But this is legit. This is legit. This is legit.
And when I go with the customers, I like your.
They like it, right? Yeah. You should patent it. You can patent it, make some money, right? Let's create like a roller on it, and then we'll get it legit. You can do tissues. This is great. I love it. All right, we just started a business. We're 50-50 partners, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You need help?
No.
I was kidding. When we do window film the best, you can't see it. It's the craziest product. It's like, right? You guys put it on and they can't see it. It's like, look what you did. It's like, it looks so great. Like you don't even see it. So it's like,
They ask something, hey, what is the film?
Yeah, where's the film, right? The customers sometimes ask us, they go, wait a minute, like you didn't even do the job. And we're like, no, we did the job. You can't even tell it's on there. So it's weird that when we sell a product that you don't even see, and so it's like it's hard to market it because no one even knows it's there. It's weird, unless it goes bad and then people, it's if it fails, right? So you see back window on cars that get all bubbly and purple. That's what they know window film because it bubbles and purples. But residential film, commercial film lasts for a long time. So good job, guys. Man, window tinting is hard work. This is hard work, supervising. All right, cool. Thanks to Gina at the Seneca House. Great customer, doing some good filming work here. Thanks to everybody. Look for the next episode. Thanks to our sponsor. Couldn't have been possible without salspizzeria.com. Sal's Pizzeria. Go grab a slice. Look for the next episode. We'll see you then.